Welcome to our channel. In today's video titled Top 7 Must-Have DIY and Repair Tools for Every Workshop, we're diving into some of the most practical, powerful, and versatile tools designed for hobbyists, electronics technicians, metalworkers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're setting up your own workspace or just upgrading your current toolkit, these tools will enhance your productivity, precision, and performance in all kinds of repair, soldering, cutting, and polishing tasks. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Magnifier Bench Vise. Designed for precision and stability, this multifunctional soldering station combines magnification, lighting, and flexible arms to make your detailed work easier than ever. Built with a sturdy aluminum alloy base and black rubber pads, it clamps firmly to your table, preventing unwanted movement. The 5 fully adjustable universal joint arms are made from spring steel and can be effortlessly positioned exactly where you need them. Each alligator clip rotates 360 degrees and can be locked in place, providing exceptional versatility for holding circuit boards or small components. The built-in 3x magnifying glass is crafted with K9 optical glass, delivering crystal-clear visibility. Coupled with 42 high-quality SMD LED lights offering 3 color temperature modes and 11 brightness levels, this tool ensures optimal lighting in any work environment. Whether you're working on PCB boards, jewelry, or miniature models, this helping hand tool station is an indispensable asset on your workbench. Number 6. Electric Soldering Kit. This powerful 80W digital soldering iron is perfect for electronics enthusiasts and repair professionals alike. With a temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, and precision adjustments in 5 degrees Celsius increments, you gain complete control over your soldering tasks. Its ceramic internal heating element ensures a quick warm-up time of just 15 to 20 seconds. The large LCD display clearly shows the temperature, and with PID technology, you get consistent heat output for flawless solder joints. The non-slip, heat-insulated handle ensures safe and comfortable use during long repair sessions. Available with US or EU plugs and multiple color options, this soldering iron also features a unique temperature calibration mode for fine-tuning accuracy. Ideal for fixing phones, computers, or circuit boards, this kit is both versatile and durable, making it an essential tool for precision soldering. Number 5. Mini Table Saw. Compact yet highly efficient, this micro desktop table saw is tailored for small-scale, high-precision cutting tasks. Ideal for cutting acrylic, PCB boards, wood, and other lightweight materials, it's powered by a DC 24V10A motor that delivers strong cutting performance in a mini format. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, it offers both longevity and portability. The stable work surface and efficient motor make it an excellent addition for hobbyists working on model building, circuit board design, or other creative projects requiring exact cuts. The small footprint of this table saw allows it to fit on any workbench without occupying too much space, all while providing the performance needed for professional-grade cuts. Number 4. Hammer Tool Set. This unique hand tool kit is not only functional, but also a collectible tribute to Norse mythology. Styled after Thor's iconic hammer, this tool set features a multifunctional design perfect for various DIY electrical tasks. Number 3. MMA ARC Welder. Powerful yet compact, this Deco ARC Welder is designed for home projects, repairs, and beginner-level welding. It supports both MMA and Lift TIG modes and handles E6013, E7018, and E6011 rods with ease, suitable for mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Thanks to IGBT inverter technology and digital control, it delivers a stable arc, smooth welds, and deep penetration. Safety is prioritized with built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, and overload. Features like hot start and anti-sticking make it user-friendly for novices. Number 2. Mini Belt Grinder. Engineered for precision grinding and polishing, this miniature belt sander features a 304 stainless steel body for exceptional durability and rust resistance. It runs on a high-power copper motor and offers a 7-speed control system to suit a variety of tasks, from knife making to fine metalwork. The 330 by 30 mm sanding pad size provides ample surface area for work, and its adjustable anti-vibration foot pads keep it steady and quiet during use. Whether you're sharpening tools, crafting custom parts, or polishing surfaces, This versatile grinder delivers professional-grade performance in a compact form. Number 1. Solar Fan Helmet. Ideal for working outdoors under direct sunlight, this solar-powered safety helmet features an integrated fan that activates automatically when exposed to strong light. There's no need for batteries or switches, just sunshine. Designed with a tough ABS shell and adjustable headband to fit sizes between 51 to 60 centimeters, it provides protection and comfort for construction workers, motorcyclists, and more. The built-in fan generates a cool breeze, keeping the wearer comfortable during extended periods in the sun. With a modern design available in multiple colors, this helmet merges safety with eco-friendly innovation for laborers who demand functionality and comfort. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.